Yo, what's good YouTube? Percy. So today is a crazy day because this is the day where the first series ended of the journey to 25k funded. So yeah, today I'm day trading. I'm day trading my 25k instant account, and as you can see, we took one trade, but that trade ended up as a break-even trade, and yeah. So during 9:30 during open we manipulated lower. Like I wanted to see, we took out this low. The most I wanted to see is this low get taken, but 1, 2, 3 sell sides were taken. This swing lows were taken, and yeah, and we had a change in state right around here. I was like, this change in state, I want to see the market retest this first presented fair value gap inversion. So, and I said, okay, we have a volume imbalance which can work in our favor. The market might try to fill this volume imbalance, but unfortunately it just tapped this top of this fair value gap and displaced higher. So coming at this premium, at this swing high here, I thought the market will just come down and retest maybe this auto block right here, but unfortunately it did not. The market just displaced and created an auto block here. This was my initial the second trade idea I would have taken if we didn't have this displacement leg, because I saw this swing low inside a fair value gap, then an aggressive break and closure above this down close candle. That's my auto block, but this was too tight for me, and also we in premium. The market could just create this swing point and reverse and get to this area right here. But as soon as I saw the second displacement leaving out a fair value gap, I knew that's where I should be looking for longs. But I was looking for this auto block long. As you can see, the market displaced lower into this fair value gap and the closure above. That's when I longed, and the market just rallied up for a little bit, came down, almost hit my stop losses, and extended higher, hitting my break-even level. And at the point where I was about to take partials, it didn't give me the partial that I wanted. As you can see, I was aiming for a 1:1.5 R, because on the Nasdaq trade I hit a 1:2 R. I think I hit a 0.5 R on this trade. I got like $50 while I was risking $100, because I trailed my stops here as soon as we broke. So that the market is respecting this 1 minute fair value gap, and this auto block right here, as you can see, the bodies are respecting it. And yeah, but unfortunately my stops were trailed at this low. The market came down and took me out, then literally rallied up straight to my take profit. And I was not here when the market hit this level. I wanted to close partials right around here, but I was not there. I came back when this down close candle was forming. So breaking down the entry, although I wanted to see the market drop down into this area right here, I noticed that prior to 9:30 open we already filled this gap, and we had a CSD on the 3-minute, and as you can see we swept the minor sell side right here. Let me just mark this out, minor sell side, and displaced higher, leaving imbalances between this swing point, this swing high and this swing low, and this being my auto block. My first trade idea was based off of this auto block. Prior to this candle being formed, I thought the market would just come back and bounce off of this level and deliver higher prices, but unfortunately it did not. So I thought to myself, I want to see this market trade into this first presented fair value gap, but there was an imbalance. I kept that in mind. There's imbalance. I kept that in mind. I marked this level as a potential auto block. I see the market rallying up, breaking it aggressively and creating an imbalance on it, and that's when I took my long on this auto block here, and looking for a 1:2, which seems like a god, but based on my trail stops I didn't. And yeah, there is it guys, this is my road to payout. on a 25k account because I lost my 25k. 25k, what is that? 25k 25k evaluation, which is mental, but it's cool. We're up like $50 on this trade on the account, on the instant account, which is caught. And yeah, that is it guys. See you guys in the next video.